Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on beginner meditation. Welcome to 5-Minute Mindfulness, where we help make meditation simple and accessible for everyone, especially if you're just starting out. If you've ever tried to meditate and felt like you couldn't stop your thoughts, sit still, or get it right, you're not alone. These are some of the most common struggles for beginners, and they're completely normal. Meditation isn't about having a perfectly quiet mind or sitting perfectly still. It's about showing up as you are and practicing. In these 5 minutes, we'll focus on the basics of your breath, your body, and learning to accept distractions. If at all possible, find yourself in a comfortable seated posture, spine erect, head facing forward, chin parallel to the ground, eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. And let's keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils and simply observing the flow of air as it passes, as we inhale and exhale the tips of the nostrils. If this is your first time meditating, or your first few times meditating, or this is your 5th attempt at trying to meditate, either way, these are all normal positions to be in. If you've meditated for some time and now are restarting your practice, again, very normal, very common. I found meditation difficult to get into the habit of early on in my meditation process. But as my interest grew and as I began to experience the benefits of daily meditation for myself, I found myself seeking it out more actively to the point where I wanted to learn more about it myself, and eventually having the desire to share my experience with others. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. Whatever you are thinking at this time, even if it is, I want to stop this video and get up and do anything else. This is all normal as well. Now let's bring our awareness to the legs. We'll relax the legs. We'll relax the pelvis and the hips. Relax the abdomen, the stomach. We'll relax the chest and the heart center. We'll relax the shoulders. We'll relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. We'll relax the forehead. Now let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils and observe the flow of air as we inhale and we exhale. Exhale and we inhale. Very good job for following along with this guided meditation. However you are feeling, whatever you are thinking, just allow it to be, and eventually it will pass and your mind will want to do something else, and then we'll let it. And then we'll redirect the mind back to the focal point at the tips of the nostrils. And we'll simply observe the flow of air here. And we'll relax the forehead one more time. Namaste.